KC channel is presenting today's video data analysis tools. Yes, in commerce, business management, social science research. Weighted average, a statistical tool for our research. Mostly we feel difficulty which kind of statistical tool to be used in our research and for which question we need to apply this particular tool. Such doubts I clarify in this video. Yes, weighted average, very useful, very suitable to which kind of questions. A demo is given in this video. Let's see. Weighted average, simple statistical tool, suitable for survey kind of research. This is the formula. Weighted average applied to this Likert scale model, 5-point scale. Here, two different example is given there. In the 5-point model, two different example. First one, excellent, good, neither good nor bad, bad, very bad. One kind of rating. Another example, highly satisfied, satisfied, neither satisfied nor dissatisfied, dissatisfied, highly dissatisfied. For this kind of questions, in social science, commerce, business management research, in the areas of marketing, HR, this kind of rating questions we use mostly. Such questions, the weighted average tool used to calculate the better and best result. Let's see. Example, for marketing, customer opinion about a product based on various factors: price, brand, quality, durability, after sales service, customer relationship. I frame the question for these factors a rating scale, a 5-point rating scale. Customer satisfaction towards price, brand, quality, etc. Another example, in the area of human resource, employee opinion about training program. Same, various factors analyzed here: training environment, duration, trainer's knowledge, ICT tools used, course materials, doubts clarification. 5-point rating scale used to get the opinion of employee towards training program and interpret the best result by using weighted average. Let's see. In this video, I explain the marketing example and I calculate the weighted average. Respondent opinion, customer opinion about the product, price, brand, quality, durability, after sales service, customer relationship. I just take a sample of 11 people, 11 respondents. What their opinion towards price, highly satisfied or satisfied. What is the rating? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The split up of their value, the split up of their opinion is given in this table. Now I am calculating the weighted average for each price. Let's see. 3 into 5. The 3 is the value. 3 is the value given here. 3 into 5. 3 into 4. 2 into 3. 1 into 2. 2 into 1. 3 into 5. 3 into 4. 2 into 3. 1 into 2. 2 into 1. So I am multiplying the value, number of respondent given opinion in excellent or in satisfaction. 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 value. That I am multiplying. The total I am divided by the sum of the ratings. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 15. So I am dividing the multiplication, the sum of the multiplication values divided by the sum of the ratings. Then I predict the each price, brand, quality, duration, after sales service, customer relationship. The weighted average values I calculated and tabled. And then finally I rank the factors. So customers give first preference to the brand, second preference to the price, third one to the quality, fourth one durability, fifth one customer relationship, and sixth one after sales service. Likewise, we can do it for any kind of our rating scale questioning. Thank you, friends. Connect me with my blogspot, kcpblogspot.com. In my blog, I updated all the academic details, research oriented details for your kind reference. Thank you. Thank you.